Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Today, I'm going to show you 10 of the easiest, tastiest, and healthiest fruits you can grow right at home. No more supermarket trips for these juicy delights. We're talking straight from the garden to your plate, so grab your gardening gloves, put on your sun hat, and let's get stuck in. By the end, you'll be a fruit-growing guru. First up, we've got strawberries. These vibrant red berries are not just a treat for the eyes, but also a delight for the taste buds. These little red gems are like sunshine in a fruit, bursting with flavor and sweetness. Perfect for a summer snack or a delicious dessert. And they're dead easy to grow. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, strawberries are a fantastic choice. Plant them in pots, hanging baskets, or straight into the ground. They adapt well to various growing conditions. They don't need a lot of space. Even if you have a small balcony or a tiny garden, you can still enjoy fresh strawberries. Strawberries like their soil just right, not too wet, not too dry, and they love sunshine. Make sure they get plenty of light for the best yield. Did you know that strawberries are packed with vitamin C? This essential nutrient helps boost your immune system. Just one serving gives you a whole day's worth. It's an easy and delicious way to stay healthy. Plus, they're full of antioxidants, great for your skin and overall health. These powerful compounds help fight off free radicals. Strawberries, easy to grow, delicious to eat, and good for you too. So why not start growing your own and enjoy the benefits of these amazing little berries? Next up, blueberries. These tiny, vibrant blue fruits are not just a treat for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants more than any other fruit. Antioxidants help combat free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Blueberries can be a bit fussy about their soil. They like it acidic. This means you might need to amend your garden soil with ericaceous compost to keep them happy. Once established, they'll reward you with buckets of juicy berries year after year. Harvesting them can be a delightful experience, especially when you see the abundance of fruit. Blueberries are great for your brain, helping improve memory and cognitive function. Incorporating them into your breakfast or snacks can be a delicious way to boost your brain power. So if you're feeling forgetful, a handful of blueberries might be just what you need. They are also rich in vitamin C and K and fiber, making them a well-rounded addition to your diet. Blueberries, a bit more high maintenance, but worth the effort for their health benefits and flavor. With a little care, you can enjoy these nutritious berries fresh from your garden. Let's talk raspberries. These little beauties keep coming back year after year. Raspberries are low maintenance, liking well-drained soil and a bit of sunshine. You can even grow them in containers if you're short on space. Raspberries are a fantastic source of fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Plus, they're low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. Raspberries, easy to grow, delicious to snack on, and packed with fiber. Next up, blackberries. These things are like nature's candy, sweet, juicy, and delicious. They're super easy to grow, tough, and resilient. Blackberries love a sunny spot and well-drained soil. They do spread, so give them space or train them along a fence. Blackberries are packed with vitamin C, even more than oranges. So next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for a handful of blackberries. Blackberries, low maintenance, super tasty, and packed with vitamin C. Now, apples. You don't need a whole orchard. Dwarf apple tree varieties are perfect for small gardens or containers. Apples prefer well-drained soil and a sunny spot, but can tolerate some shade. Choose a variety suited to your climate. Apples are packed with fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They're incredibly versatile. Eat them raw, cook them, or juice them. Apples, easy to grow, good for you, and versatile. Next up, pears. These are just as easy to grow as apples and thrive in temperate climates. Pears prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. They benefit from regular pruning to keep their shape and encourage fruit production. Pears are a good source of potassium, important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Pears, easy to grow, packed with fiber and potassium, and delicious. Give them a try in your garden. Let's talk cherries. These little red gems are like sweet treats growing on a tree. Cherries need well-drained soil and a sunny spot, and they don't like to be waterlogged. When you bite into that first juicy cherry, you'll know it was worth it. Cherries are a good source of melatonin, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Cherries a bit more high maintenance, but worth it for their flavor and sleep-promoting properties. Lemons, the sunshine fruit that'll zest up your life and garden. These vibrant yellow fruits are not just visually appealing, but also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits and culinary uses. Lemons are surprisingly easy to grow, even in non-tropical climates. With a little care and the right conditions, you can enjoy fresh lemons right from your backyard or garden. They love sunshine and well-drained soil and can grow in pots, making them easy to move indoors during colder months. This flexibility allows you to cultivate lemons, even if you have limited space. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants, protecting your body against cell damage. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from refreshing drinks to zesty desserts. Lemons, easy to grow, bursting with flavor and vitamin C, and a great way to add sunshine to your life. Whether you use them in cooking, as a natural remedy, or simply to brighten up your garden, lemons are a versatile and valuable addition to any home. Figs, the sweet taste of the Mediterranean. Figs are surprisingly easy to grow in a variety of climates. They prefer well-drained soil and a sunny spot, but can tolerate some shade. Figs are relatively drought-tolerant, so you don't need to water them often. Figs are a good source of calcium and fiber, essential for strong bones and a healthy digestive system. Figs, easy to grow, packed with flavor and nutrients, and a taste of the Mediterranean. Grapes, from garden to glass. Perfect for snacking or making juice or wine. Grapes love to climb, so provide them with a sturdy trellis or pergola. They prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine, but can tolerate some shade. Grapes are a good source of antioxidants and potassium, important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Grapes, easy to grow, versatile, and good for you too. So there you have it, 10 beginner-friendly fruits you can easily grow at home. Grab your gardening gloves, get planting, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. Have fun. Tell us what you think in the comments.